Do you ever get intrigued by the stock market and wonder what all the hype is about, and if the stock market investment can be profitable for you? The US stock market is currently the largest stock market in the world and is worth more than $34 trillion. If you haven't already, here are a few reasons for you to invest in it. You can generate consistent income by trading stocks over short term. But investing in stocks over longer term can also build your wealth. By investing in dividend-providing stocks, you can get a regular income without selling your stocks. Profit potential can be extremely high if you follow a successful trading strategy. You will need to set up an account with a brokerage firm, and there are plenty to choose from. With a little research about companies and understanding how the stock prices has behaved in the past can result in significant profits. If you want to invest in the stock market, taking some informative courses on stock trading can help you better understand its dynamics and generate consistent returns. US Stock Advisor offers stock trading courses that can help you develop a clear understanding of the trading concepts and strategies. To find out what else we can do for you, do not hesitate to contact us. 919-373-5454. www.usstockadvisor.com